All right, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all TVL enrolled in this subject. This is your Sir Jules and Lucio Vance Cupite, trying again to discuss and try to go over on the current status and our current pacing. So right now, all EIM and AS, I'd like you to orient or be aware that we are following these four octagons. The first octagon says comprehensive illustration. This time, I assume that from September 23 until October 3, last week, you're able to come up with already a illustration. So probably, I will assume that you're already conducting or you already have drawn the comprehensive illustration that is the hand sanitizers and the manual and automated. Ngayon, pupunta tayo sa itemization of material. Now, natapos natin yung comprehensive illustration, meron tayong illustration. After na meron na tayong illustration, pupunta tayo sa itemization of material. The question is, how is this, sir? Okay, so here is the instruction. Itemization of the material, this is the activity 12 already. It will start from October 5 until 9. So you will do this in 5 days. Now you have a particular objective. Provide the features of the item, qualities and characteristics. Provide the uses of the item, who benefits from it. Specifically identify the materials needed to create the item. List them down and indicate how many items are needed. Where to write? Either encoded. Pwede nyong i-encode ito. Pero hindi naman mandatory. At pwede namang i-handwrite itong konseptong ito. Put this in an intermediate pad paper. So you'll handwrite it if encoding is not available resources. So ganito ang magiging setup ng one whole nyo. Ifo-fold nyo ng 3 columns. So tatlo yan, i-fold nyo lang, tapos ilagay nyo yung product feature niya, either in a sentence or in a paragraph form. Again you may answer this either in a sentence or in a paragraph or in a phrases form. It has to be numbered, bullet style, at ilalagay niyo yung features niya. Sabi natin, product features. Provide 5 features. So when you say features, anong kanyang mga benefits? Anong kanyang mga magiging outcomes? So for example, yung kanyang feature is hands-free. There's no need for the hands to touch it. You can actually adapt the words, but I am encouraging you to particularly reword it. Try to have a different attack in presenting the features. And it is foot pedal operated, height adjustable as per sanitizer bottle size, street epoxy powder coated, sturdy and easy to use, special bottle holding with high quality, elastic, non-skidding, rubber shoes. O di ba? Meron ka ng features sa hand sanitizer or sa hand dispenser. Now, after providing some features, provide 5 uses. Dapat 5 rin. Saan natin pwedeng magamit ito? You can list the places. Tapos, technical feature. Ano ang kanyang natatangi or what makes this stand out from the others? So, yung ito sa kabila dito, sabi niya, stand size, foot size, and the rest weight. Ayan. So, may mga features sa tungkol sa kanyang measurements. So, also try to come up with an idea kung ano kanyang special features. Yung mga nakita kong special features is number 1, may mga hand dispensers na sensor. Just move your hand tapos lalabas yung mga alcohol. Yung iba naman, ano pa yung mga special features na nakita natin? Siguro naman, grabe naman kung may pa-wifi pa yung hand dispenser na yan, pero why not? Baka may camera pa yan or a thermal scanner with thermal scanner na feature. It has a special feature. It has something that will make it stand out from the others. So that's the challenge actually here. Although, if there is really none, I'm not really insisting, but I am really hoping that you will come up with it because that's how we set the standard based on the milks. Right after that, you already identified them, the features, the uses, and the technical features. Probably go on the part now where you will be items needed to create the item or device. Materials. Ano yung mga materials na kailangan para magawa natin or makonstruct natin yung item? So you would say probably a plastic pipelines, a metal, probably a bottle or probably screw, probably you would say metal sheets and everything you will tell us the materials. And we say materials, not only about the materials needed. You will use as well the tools that you will use. If example, you would tell us that you need to use here a sander, or probably you will use here a metal sheet cutter, or you would say that you will need a probably um yung ano, the saw for metals, the ginagamit yung pang metal. You can use that. Drillers, you can also use that. Screwdrivers. You identify the materials that you will need to create it. So apart from the materials, we're also referring to ano yung mga tools na magagamit natin para i-create yung material. And that is listed in the materials. So you have to list them. You would even say extension wires because you need it. You would even say extension wires, probably drills, screwdrivers, screw, metal sheets, pipes, and everything, and even rubberized materials. Everything should be really specifically identified on this part. Okay. So yun lang naman ang yung gagawin dito. So that is the itemization of the material for activity 12, which will happen today. Okay, for this week. Yan. So, dyan muna tayo pupunta. Ngayon, balik tayo dito. Andito na tayo sa part, itemization. Right after you finish that, we will go now on procedures on how you will do it. And I will release another lecture videos or just a simple video to discuss to you what will you do here. In the meantime, we apologize if we are releasing this lecture video late because of the PLDT shutdown, emergency shutdown. And I think the school is affected by this because I think almost 5 days that shut down ang Wi-Fi, and I cannot upload this using data that I'm using Globe. It cannot be. So it has to use a high quality of internet speed. But anyhow, that is the instruction. Itemization of materials na tayo. Finished that already, and I hope that you are on that part. If you would like to request a soft copy of this one, feel free to give me a chit chat so that I will give you a soft copy of this particular document. So I hope that is clear, and I would like to see you again soon. Thank you very much. I'll see you again.